recently asked ourselves the question, if you carry a gun, should you carry a tourniquet as part of your everyday carry? Should you have stop the bleed training? Should you carry kits in your vehicles? And after our research, the obvious answer is absolutely. Did you know that it only takes 3 to 5 minutes for a person to bleed out and die? And it takes 7 to 10 minutes for that average response of a first responder to get to you, so you can see the problem. In the United States, there's over 40,000 gun-related deaths a year, 76,000 gunshot-related injuries, 3 million car crashes with injuries, 2 million permanent injuries. So having a stop the bleed kit, a way to stop traumatic bleeding, is very important. Having the proper training, which doesn't take more than 15 minutes, and the proper equipment to stop traumatic bleeding could save your life, someone you love, or a stranger in a car crash that you pull up to, which has happened to us before. We need as many people as possible trained in how to stop severe bleeding, and it just makes sense to me that our customers, concealed carry, everyday carry type people, are the go-to people for this. The tourniquet we use is one of the top ones in the industry. There's several approved by the Department of Defense. This is one of them. It's called the SOF-T. It's very durable. It's got some quality components that are tougher than some of the competitors, and it folds up smaller than the top competition that it has, which makes this easy to carry on your belt or even in your front pocket. The kit can be fastened to your headrest or any type of MOLLE attachment, even a battle belt. The tourniquet mounted on the bottom of the kit, the SOF-T, so you can easily pull it out without having to open the kit. Inside the kit, we have the halo vent. This is used for like a through and through gunshot. There's 2 of them in here. It's vented. It's to seal chest wounds. This is the Olay's modular bandage. It has several uses. It can be used to pack wounds with several yards of gauze. It can be a wound dressing. It has a plastic cup on it to help put pressure on a wound, or it can be removed for an eye injury. The survival blanket, which is very important, blood stops clotting effectively at 95 degrees, so you want to keep the victim warm. Some more wound packing gauze, some gloves, some 2-inch tape, and some shears if you have to cut away clothing. All of this will be available on our website as a kit. You can buy the refills for the kit, and we will sell certain items individually, such as the SOF-T tourniquet.